Okay, we are staying at the Art of Animation in room 5607. And we are in the Finding Nemo area. So as soon as you walk in, we have the Murphy bed that pulls down into a, looks like a double bed. They've got a couple of nightstands on either side with some charging ports and regular plug-ins. This is cute. The light fixture, I don't know if you can tell that well, are bubbles for under the seat. We have a turtle made out of all those tiny little fish. Looks like coral reef chairs and another nightstand there. And then going forward into the living room, the couch there makes another double bed pull out. You've got a chair over here in the side, and here is just a little kitchenette with a microwave. They have the coffee service with, of course, Joffrey's coffee, and a refrigerator, recycle bin. Over here, they have a dresser, it looks like, with 2 small drawers and 2 large ones to put your stuff in, along with this little seating area here. Let's see, and I kind of feel like this, oh, nope, I was gonna say lifts up, it must pull out. Oh, that's got extra blankets and pillows in there. The nice thing about these rooms, 2 bathrooms. Here we have bathroom number 1, and there is a shower with the sharks. Let's say fish are not food, they are our friends. Regular toilet there. Okay, welcome back out into the dining room pull-out area. Is then an ensuite room, and it is, I guess that's a queen bed, and same setup as in the living room with 2 small drawers, 2 large drawers. They do have a luggage rack and a safe. And then there is the bathroom, nice tile shower, glass doors, that's nice, with the sink, just a single sink though. So headboard area, that's cute. That's also like a coral reef with these lamps that are shaped like jellyfish. That's funny. And again, 2 nightstands with your USB ports and regular charging outlets. So this is it. This is the Finding Nemo Suite. And we chose this one because it's the closest to the main hub and all the activity. I had my finger in the shop there, sorry about that. And over here they have another fish made out of fish. So it's very cute. The decor in here is very cute. Okay, and this is what the Murphy bed looks like when it's down. It has, what's his name? Marvin, and Nemo, and it lights up there. Really cute. And I also forgot, all you have to do is just put your chairs off to the side, and then the bed pulls down over the table. But I forgot to show the floor is also supposed to be like your under the sea. Very cute. This is, again, the Finding Nemo Family Suite.